So you've received your DS4500 scale and it's ready for use. We're going to demonstrate how to use some of the feed functions on the scale right now. And first thing to note is when you use the feed function, the automatic shutoff timer is disabled, so you have to manually turn the scale off. We don't want it to turn off during the process in case it takes some time, and we don't want to lose any of the recorded weights in the memory. And then also, we want to make sure we use it on a flat, stable surface. So if it's a portable application, we can't use these on carpeting or a bed or a sofa. They need to be on a hard, firm surface like a table. So like we saw before, we're going to go ahead and turn the scale on. As it turns on, it's going to automatically zero itself out. And then to go ahead and place the scale into the feed mode, and we're going to do the single feed mode first, where we're going to collect one feed weighment. So we're going to go ahead and place the infant on the scale. We capture a weight. Then we take the infant off of the scale, feed the infant, and this will represent some of the amount fed here as a weight. So we'll go ahead and place the infant back onto the scale after fed, and it gives us an after fed weighment. All of these are noted at the top of the display here that you'll be able to easily see. And at the end of the process, you can press the feed button, and this shows you the amount fed. So it does the calculation for you in any unit that you were in. We just happen to be in pounds and ounces right now. Now that you have your DS4500, we're going to demonstrate how to do left and right feed recordings. The first step is we're going to go ahead and turn the scale on. Scale's turning on, it'll automatically zero itself out. And then in order to launch the feed mode, we're going to go ahead and press feed. Scale reads 0. We're going to place the infant onto the scale. And this is going to now read before feed. And we take the infant off of the scale, go ahead and feed the infant. So this will represent what the infant was fed in terms of weight. So we'll go ahead and place the infant and the amount fed right on the scale, and what we do is we get an after feed reading. We need to press the feed button so that it knows that we're going to take a second reading here. So we're going to go ahead and pull the infant off of the scale, and then we're going to feed the infant again, and then we'll place the infant onto the scale. It's going to be slightly heavier than the last reading as well, and this is also an after fed annunciator that's reading there. We'll go ahead and press the button again. So now we see these dashes on the left. So this is the important part to watch here. So when we have two dashes, that means that's the second weighment that's being displayed. So this is the amount fed for the second weighment. If I press the feed button again, this is the total amount fed, and then we cycle back through to the first amount fed as well.